Hi everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rossana, and today's recipe is gonna take you back to your favorite taco place where all the agua frescas are displayed. But today we're only gonna focus on agua de Jamaica. That way you can enjoy it at home. It's gonna be as good, if not even better. So let's get started. Flor de Jamaica is the Spanish translation for hibiscus flower. This is one of the most popular agua fresca sold everywhere in Mexico. It is so easy to make, you probably don't even need me to explain every step. But since I know you love to hear my sweet and delightful voice, or maybe that's just what I'd like to think. Either way, how about we make it together? Start by measuring 1 cup of well-packed hibiscus flower. They are so dry, but when the petals are steeped, they release their flavor components and a stunning red-violet color is released. Sift the petals and remove any stems you may find. Here you can see some dust and stems were actually released. Next, I like to rinse the dust away from the flower. Don't keep them too long under running water. Stop as soon as you start to see some color released. Now, over medium-high heat, bring 10 cups of water to a boil. When boiling, lower to medium-low heat and pour in 1 cup of sugar. I love this step because the sugar melts right into the water. Stir to combine and add in the Jamaica. Stir once again and allow it to steep on a low simmer for roughly 5 minutes. During this time, the flower petals will release their color and infuse the water in its flavors. After 5 minutes, turn off the burner and we need to allow the water and petals to do their job and continue to steep until the water cools down completely. The next step is to strain the infused water. I like to keep some of the flowers for decoration, but know that this is completely optional. Be careful because even though the color looks awesome, it does stain, but it is not a big deal. You just need to be cautious. I am not worried about the staining part at all. I'm more worried about missing out on this delicious agua fresca. All that's left to do is pour into your favorite pitcher and admire it. This is the time where you can taste it, and if you prefer a sweeter drink, feel free to add more sugar and stir until it dissolves. Other than that, we are ready to serve. I prefer to add the ice straight into the glass. This way, as the ice melts, it does not dilute the entire drink. Here comes the part where you can add the flowers for decoration. You could even add them to the pitcher. I mean, what else could be better than decorating the agua with its own main ingredient? Agua de Jamaica is refreshing and its tart, tangy flavors, very similar to cranberry juice, make it the perfect flower to make a refreshing drink. Try it and love all of its characteristics. The next step is the best. Let's taste. I'm ready to be refreshed. Agua fresca, do your job. Cheers. It's amazing. Oh wow. I think I'm in love. This agua fresca is delicious. All I'm missing is a couple of tacos. I'm gonna leave you the links to my taco recipes down in the description area. Okay, we reached the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell. Also follow us on all of our social media platforms. Until the next one.